Kia ora koutou e te whānau, tēnā koutou tamariki mā. Welcome to our virtual assembly. Hey kids, I'm hearing some amazing things from your teachers about the work you've been up to during lockdown learning. I've seen some of your posts, I've looked through Seesaw, and I can see you're doing some great work. Well done, keep it up. But I've got some advice for you for this virtual assembly this week. I wanted to share with you some ideas around some of the things you can do not using your screen. So, just like Tiger, Lammy and Ted, we all need to take a break from using our screen. Okay guys, that's it for now.
Aw, what are we going to do now if we can't go on the iPad?
Yeah, I get really bored if I'm not playing on the screen.
Okay guys, we're putting away the device and we're getting out the soccer ball. Okay team, we're ready for hallway soccer with a sock. Rules are no shoes, be careful. Tiger, Ted, you guys are versing Lammy and me.
I'm in goal.
I'll be the defender.
Kick.
Yes!
Okay team, do you want to know how to make your own soccer ball? Let me show you how. It's easy. Pull out some socks from your sock drawer or your mum's or dad's. Be a good idea if you ask them first. Scrunch them together like that. Get the bigger sock and stuff the smaller socks right down to the very end. Then do a little twist and then you've got to pull it through, reversing it. Try and make it as round as you can each time you do it. Do it again, and you've kind of got a bit of a ball shape going on. Next challenge is to put this into the last big sock. Helps if the sock's really big. Stuff it in as hard as you can, as right down the bottom. Give it a little twist. Pull it through. And you're nearly there. Twist it one more time and then wrap it around, pull it up, kind of like it's got a Louis beanie on. There you go. Okay, I've got another fun, safe game we can play in the hallway. Right, we're going to need this soccer ball and this dude and his friends.
Yes!
So to make your hallway skittles, this is what you need. Scissors, some cardboard from a paper towel roll. If you're using a cardboard tube, you might need to get your parents to puncture a hole in the side of it so that you're able to cut it into a smaller size. Cutting here is easy, just cut little strips from the top down and now you're ready to draw the face on. Think carefully about big eyes and the eyebrows. The eyebrows give expression, and then to pop the arms in, you might get your parents to help you again. You just need to slit a little wee cut in the side and then slide the arm in. Just like that. And then you probably want to give them another arm on the other side. Now you're ready to play. The last little wee thing you can do is put a number between 1 and 10 behind each of these characters so that you can get scores each time you knock one of them down.
5 points.
Okay guys, let's get into a bit of art. I've got a cool idea now about how we can create a creature out of our name. Now the things we're going to need are here on the table. Some pencils, crayons, felts, and a bit of paper. Right, let's get started. Okay, first thing we do is we fold the paper in half, line up the corners, put a crease down there, open it up, and then we're going to write a name down one side. Let's do Tiger. I start with a capital letter. G's a bit tricky because we can't go underneath the halfway line. There we go. Okay, the next thing is we flip it over on the crease line, carefully recrease it so it's going the other way. Get a pair of scissors. This is a tricky part because you don't want to cut close to the line. You're going to cut with a nice big fat gap and curved edges around the lettering like so. Right, you can see I've finished cutting around the edges and I've left a nice big gap between the lettering and where I've cut. Now let's see what it looks like when you open it up. Check it out. It kind of looks like a little bit of a creature. So you could do it this way or flip it around and start thinking about where the eyes are going to go, where the hands are going to go, where the nose, where the arms. And your job now is to colour your name creature in. I wonder what Tiger would like his to be coloured in. Right, let's see what Tiger's created with his name art.
So I decided to have sharp teeth because I like sharp teeth, and the S stands for super because tigers are super. And can you see he's got elephant feet because elephants are tough, and my creature has scales because I like snakes. Pretty cool, eh?
Alright guys, we've had a pretty busy day. Lots of fun not playing on devices. I think we've earned a chance to sit down and watch a movie together on TV. It's a bit cold now, so better put my socks on.